look at the MLSP Business Center, which is part of every membership level here inside of MLSP. Now, for the sake of time, I'm not going to build something from scratch, which you absolutely can do inside of the Business Center. You can build your own funnels, your own pages from scratch in seconds. It is so fast. The page builder is one of our greatest achievements here inside of the Business Center. But for the sake of time, I'm going to use one of the done-for-you funnels available to MLSP members inside of the marketplace. And I'm actually going to go through this as though I am a new MLSP member. I'm going to access step 4 of what we call the 5-step quick start process inside of MLSP. In step 4, you actually go through the process of creating your own funnel. So let's see what that looks like. I'm here in step 4, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says create my funnel. When I click on create my funnel, it's going to take me directly to that marketplace. Now, the marketplace provides you with free funnels in a huge variety of niches that you can use right now to start marketing and start generating leads. There's nothing you need to actually create to start leveraging these. There's no code, there's no building, there's no creation, there's no ebooks you need to write, nothing. These things are ready to go as soon as you turn them on. As you can see, we have funnels in all sorts of different niches. We have Social Story Profits is one of the newer ones here inside of the marketplace. Some of these are ebooks, some of them are video training, some of them are a combination of the two. I'm going to choose one that is specific to my niche. Let's say for like tonight, I help home business owners get results online. So I'm going to choose the one that's right up here that says Profile Profits Cheat Sheet. It's one of our more popular done-for-you funnels. The ebook is extremely powerful, super fun, and it gets people results in just 6 pages. So I'm going to click on View Details right here. And in the details page, I can actually preview every part of this funnel. I can take a look at the opt-in page and the thank you page, even at the ebook itself, to make sure that it's right for my audience. I'm going to open this up. It looks fantastic. I think everything is good to go. I think my audience is just perfect for this funnel. So let me come back into the marketplace. I'll scroll back up and I'll click on Add This Funnel. I don't need to touch anything on this pop-up here. I'm just going to click on Add New Funnel. What I did was add that done-for-you funnel into my Business Center. So now all I need to do is actually publish it, get it ready to market. Now, of course, I can customize everything about these 2 pages. As you can see right here, we have the opt-in page and we have the thank you page, the 2 steps of the lead generation funnel that we mentioned earlier in today's program. I'm going to come over here and just publish the steps right away. I'm not going to go in and edit. I'm not going to go in and customize, which again, you can do at any time. I'm going to publish these steps and I'm going to take a look at the funnel that I just created. This funnel is ready to market. I can send this to you right now on this webinar. You can click on that button. You can opt in. You would get access to this ebook. I would get the lead. That is a done-for-you funnel set up in just a few clicks. Now, not only did I want to show you how quick and how easy it should be for you to create lead generation funnels these days, I also want to show you one of these in action, especially for those of you that might be new and are curious about what the experience is like, not only for the lead, but for you as the marketer as well. So let's assume that I just sent this to someone and they are very interested. They take a look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, I need to have this cheat sheet. They click on Get Free Instant Access and they will enter their name and their email address. I'll put in some information right now. Once they put in their name and email, they can click on Yes, I Want In. And just like the demo, it's going to take them directly to the thank you page where they can access their PDF. Everything is taken care of for you. You can legitimately start marketing these funnels as soon as you turn them on. Now, as the marketer, what does this look like? Because you just captured a lead. Now, inside of the Business Center, we have a CRM, a customer relationship manager, that will collect all of these leads that you generate from your funnels. So let's come over and take a look at what that looks like. On the left-hand side, I'm going to come down to People, and I'm going to click on the People Manager, and there you go. You can see the lead that was just generated from a done-for-you funnel. So 1, this is how easy it can and should be for you to create these funnels, and 2, this is exactly what a simple lead generation funnel looks like for you to be able to start marketing and generating leads like the top leaders and businesses online today.